In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up on Notion. Backing up your Notion workspace is a smart habit that protects your notes, docs, and databases in case you need to restore them later or move them somewhere else. Let's walk through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, open Notion and look to the top left corner. Click the workspace icon there. This opens the menu where you can access your workspace controls. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Notion keeps the controls for your account and workspace level preferences. Inside Settings, head to the General section. This is where you'll find the option to create an export of your workspace. Scroll down until you see Export. It may be near the bottom, depending on your version and layout. When you find it, click Export to start the process. Next, you'll choose your export format and what to include. Notion typically offers formats like HTML or Markdown and CSV. HTML is great if you want a readable archive you can open in any browser, preserving page structure and embedded content as separate files. Markdown and CSV are more flexible if you plan to move your content to other tools or work with databases and spreadsheets. You'll also see options for what to include, such as subpages, database content, and files. If you want a complete backup, make sure to include subpages and attachments so you don't miss anything tucked away inside pages or databases. Once your choices are set, confirm the export. Notion will begin preparing your files. The time this takes will vary based on how large your workspace is and how many attachments and databases you have. For small workspaces, it may be done quickly. For larger ones, expect a bit of a wait. When the export is ready, Notion will send a download link to the email address associated with your account. Keep an eye on your inbox. The message includes a link where you can securely download the exported archive. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, as large exports can take longer to generate. And there you go. Once you have the archive, your Notion backup is complete. That's all there is to it. For peace of mind, consider labeling your backup with the date and keeping it in a safe location so you can find it easily in the future. Repeat this process whenever you want a fresh snapshot of your workspace.